So I will be discussing 16th problem, students. So following is the balance sheet of X Limited on 31st March 2015. So these are the assets and these are the liabilities. So you have debentures and creditors which has to be taken, since this is a problem on amalgamation in the nature of purchase. So now X Limited is absorbed by Y Limited on the above date on the following terms. So X Limited is transferor company, Y Limited is transferee company. Equity shares are to be redeemed at 6% premium by issuing equity shares in Y Limited at par. So it is very direct calculation. So equity shareholders are to be redeemed at 6% premium. So look into the equity share capital. How much? 10 lakh. So on rupees 10 lakh you calculate 6%. So it will become 10 lakh 60,000. So this is in the payment of PC in the form of equity shares of Y Limited, 10 lakh 60,000. 9 preference shares in Y Limited are to be issued for 5 preference shares held in X Limited. So the face value of preference shares of both the companies is the same. So don't worry about the face value, and it is also not given in the balance sheet. So for every 5 preference shares, so for every 5 preference shares, how many preference shares? 9 preference shares. Therefore, how many preference share capital? How much is the preference share capital? 5 lakh. So directly you calculate the amount. So you will get 9 lakh. So look into the balance sheet. How much was the amount due to preference shareholders? 5 lakh. But you are paying how much? 9 lakh. So it is a loss because you are paying at premium. Loss is rupees how much? 4 lakh. Where should we show this 4 lakh? In realization account to preference shareholders account, 4 lakh. Moving on to the next adjustment. Stock is not taken over by Y Limited and it is realized rupees 1 lakh. So the stock is not taken over. So they are very much specific about the liabilities and assets taken over. So here itself you can come to a conclusion that it is a problem on amalgamation in the nature of purchase. So as usual, transfer stock. When you are transferring all the assets in the realization account, then you sell the stock. So what is the journal entry? Cash or bank account data to realization account. How much it is sold for? Rupees 1 lakh. So what is the actual cost? 3 lakh. Now come to next adjustment. The fair value of assets taken over is as under. So plant and machinery is taken over at 4 lakh, land and building 17 lakh, investments 1 lakh, and debtors book value less 10%. So debtors is 4 lakh, in that you have to deduct 10%. Either you can show directly or you can show 4 lakh on the assets taken over, and the book value of debtors deducted at 10% can be shown as liabilities. So in any method you can follow. So these adjustments will appear as an opening entries while incorporating assets and liabilities. Prepare realization account and equity shareholders account, and also pass journal entries in the books of Y Limited. So under purchase method. So PC calculation I have already discussed. Now let us move on to realization account. Transfer all the assets up to cash account or bank account. Then transfer all the liabilities, that is you have to transfer only debentures and creditors. Why? Because it is purchase method. No other reserves except statutory reserve is transferred. So this is for PC due, and this is for in stock realized. And when you balance the account, and this one you have to note down, that is there is a redemption of preference shares at premium. So there is a loss of rupees 4 lakh. This also should be incorporated in realization account, students. Now balance the account, the balance that you get will be 3 lakh 40,000. What is this? Loss on realization. So now coming on to equity shareholders account, first show the amount due, equity share capital, profit and loss account, general reserve. So then you have, that is a realization loss 3 lakh 40,000. Then equity shareholders account data to equity shares in Y Limited, that is PC 10 lakh 60,000. As I have already told you, if there is any balancing figure in equity shareholders account, it should be transferred to which account? Cash account. Now we'll move on to the opening entries. So first one is PC due. This is for the PC due. The next one is for the incorporation of assets and liabilities. So assets taken over account data to liabilities taken over, and then the balancing figure will be transferred to either goodwill or capital reserve. Here in this problem you have capital reserve. So the last journal entry will be for final settlement made to whom? Liquidator. So liquidator of X Limited account data to preference shares and to equity shares 19 lakh 60,000. So these are the only 3 journal entries that you have in this problem. So one more thing I would like to tell you students, while incorporating assets and liabilities, as I've already discussed in the adjustment, that is plant and machinery, land and building and other assets etc. Look here to the adjustment. Plant and machinery should be shown as 4 lakh, land and building at 17 lakh, investments at 1 lakh, and reduce the debtors by 10%. If you can reduce by 10%, or else you can show the value twice, that is like here. So debtors is rupees 4 lakh, then you have provision for debtors less 10%, 40,000. Otherwise, instead of showing this amount of 40,000 here, you can directly reduce 4 lakh minus 40,000. Directly you can write it as 3,60,000. So this is what you have to write, incorporate in assets and liabilities taken over.